Hey gamers, welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest and most updated codes for your favorite Roblox games. Today, I am diving into Taxi Boss, a game where you take the driver's seat and race your way to becoming the ultimate taxi tycoon. If you are looking to unlock some exciting rewards and take your gameplay to the next level, you are in the right place. Make sure to stick around until the very end so you do not miss any of the important details I have for you. Also, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And remember, if any of the codes I share are not working, just head over to my channel and check out my other updated videos for the latest working codes. I am always on the lookout for new updates and codes to help you stay ahead in the game. So let us get started and see what Taxi Boss has in store for us today.